In this video, I'll show you how to add a description to a Facebook page, step by step. First, sign into Facebook and switch to the page you want to manage. From your page, click About or open Settings and Privacy and select Settings, depending on your Facebook version. Look for page information and find the description or bio section. Enter a short and clear description that explains what your business, brand, organization, or page is about. Include important information such as the products or services you offer and what makes your page useful to visitors. Keep the description easy to read and avoid adding unnecessary personal information. Once you're satisfied with the description, click Save or Done. Return to your page and check the About section to make sure the description appears correctly. That's how you can add or update a description on your Facebook page and help visitors understand what your page is about. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.